Namaste, my yoga spirits. Join me, your yoga Pixie Sprite, yoga delight. Breathe out, centering. Breathing in, expand, open. As you breathe out, sit your hips back, bend your knees. Breathing in, up and open. Breathe out, centering inner core actions. Breathe in, develop lengthening up, lightness. Develop your breathing rhythm. Each out breath, engage inner core, abdominals and pelvic floor. Reverse arms. Breathe out. Hinge actions. Keep your spine long. Breathe. Breathing out, revolve. It's helpful to turn your head down. See how you're balancing your knees, your ankles, your feet. Head up, head down. Step or spring. Breathe out. Breathing in, forward and up. Breathe into ease, into opening and lengthening and strengthening. Foundation Cobra. Breathe out. Create your good inner actions. Deep abdominals, pelvic floor. Press your feet down, your thighs down, your hips down. Breathing in. Lift upper body. Floating your hands so you're using only your back muscles. We develop supple and strong. Breathe out, release down. Renew foundation, variation. Lift both legs, both arms. Feel the difference with your neck extension looking forward, with your neutral neck. Movement releases any extra tensions. Explore your form. Develop your range. These back strengthening poses improve our posture through the day. Breathe out. Plank pose, core strength. Each out breath, engage inner core, abdominals and pelvic floor. Hinge into down dog. Step forward, step, 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 step. Bend your knees, release ease. When you breathe out, renew inner core. Center. Breathe out, roll up. Breathing in, lengthen. Hips forward, chest open. Breathe into, ease into your deep back bend. Use your hands for support. Create more lift. Your sternum, your breastbone up. Breathing in, return. Prepare to balance. Slowly lift your left leg. Rotate open. Vrikshasana. Tree pose. Eyes are part of our balance, our stability. Balance with both shoulders, both hips. Balance renewing inner core actions. Your foot can be lower around your knee. Your foot can be lower around your ankle. This way, you can place your toes down on your mat as you need to. In this way, build balance. Rotation. You might be holding a chair, you might be touching a wall, standing in a doorway, touching each side. We practice breath by breath. Adjust, renew. Foot can be close to your knee. Heel can rest above your ankle. With the toes on your mat as you need to. Your yoga way. Breathe in, lengthen up, open, breathe out. Utkatasana. Strong rotation. Strong rotation leads into our revolving poses. Forward and up. Breathe out, renew abdominals in. Aim to extend both arms, both legs. Bend your knees as you need to. Parivritti Ardha Chandra Chakasana. Revolving half moon arc pose. The opposite hip and shoulder counterbalance. Revolving side angle pose. Bend your front leg deeply. Each out breath, renew, revolving. Breathing in, release. return, center, resymmetrize, step back, reach forward and open, revolving triangle pose, Parivritti Trikonasana. Adjust your supporting hand forward, breathing out, curl inward, breathing in, spiral open, opposite shoulder and arm counterbalance each other. Revolving side angle pose, Parivritti Pajva Konasana. Swing up, bend, step. Breathe in, open, breathe out, lengthen, fold. Variation. Place your fingers, could be your familiar way or your opposite way. Your wrists can be wide or your hands closed together. Utkatasana, Urdhva, upward, open. We'll complete this series with Apanasana and complete relaxation. Oh, I'll adjust my mat. This is a better angle. Breathe out. Breathing in, allow your ribcage to expand. Breathing out, hug strongly. This is our practice every morning before getting out of bed. Your foundation, hug and hum. Apanasana. Full relaxation. Settle in alignment. The length of your neck. Rest the back of your arms and hands. Rest your body into the earth. Rest your mind into each breath. Rest your breath in the Great Spirit, the breath of the cosmos. Gradual transition. You might rest on your side for a moment. You might roll up to seated for a moment. Our healthy play as we journey through the day, breath by breath, renewing, alignment, balance, center, our good energy, our wonder, our wondrous way through the cosmos. Namaste.